So what we're going to do today is adjust the time that it takes for the Mac to turn off the display. Usually it's set by about 10 minutes by default, but when you're setting up a Mac or you're using a Mac for the first time, sometimes it can be a little bit irritating when you just leave the room for 5 minutes or so, come back, maybe do a few other things, and then the screen's all off and you have to log in, and it can be a little bit irritating. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at the time that you can choose to set so the screen doesn't turn off every 10 minutes, or alternatively, if you want it to turn off quicker, you can do this as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to System Preferences, and many people go up here, but we're going to go down to Energy Saver. So when we go in here, we can see that the time here is 10 minutes, and what we can do is just adjust the slider backwards and forwards. Easy, but what I would like to do is maybe set it to never personally, and what I usually do is when I finish using a computer I just turn it off, or I just turn it off at the screen. But whatever you want to choose, if you want to have it something a little bit less for security, or you think maybe an hour is okay, that's fine. I wouldn't want to choose any of these. Don't worry about any of these at the moment. Just concentrate on this stuff here right now. So for me, I'm going to choose never, and I'm going to say okay for that, so the computer may use more energy with these settings. Okay, and that's done.